Editing Mika here. So I apologize, but I did not do an intro for this pantry DIY for you guys, but I definitely wanted to come in, tell you guys I hope you guys enjoy this video. It was an impromptu idea to get this done for the kitchen and for our living room. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see more projects around the house and things that I do, go ahead and don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys want a pantry update, because we enjoying it. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. So here is the space now. As you can see, it's pretty high. I took everything down. My only concern, and I'm gonna bring this up to the guys, is this will block the electrical plug, the electrical light switches that go for the dining room and the kitchen. So I'm not sure if they may want to position it over here instead. Because if we put it right here, it's just gonna cover that switch, which I'm a little like, okay, I need to get to these. But other than that, I did go ahead and do a spot clean on the floor. I also cleaned around the baseboards, so that way this could just go here. And if you're wondering, I always clean the baseboards. I use just an antibacterial spray. The method went and we cleaned the baseboards, and I kind of scrubbed down the walls and stuff. I did a spot, I cleaned, as you guys can see, and I swept over here and stuff, and now they have a clean space. So this is what the house is looking like. That Hubs did bring out the cabinet, but this is what the house is looking like right now. These are all reusable bags. My husband likes to collect a lot of bags. But yeah, here's the space now, and I'll come back when they start setting up.
And then what we did is we installed a door that opens like that, and then we have another door on top that opens.
That looks like it's gonna house a lot.
Oh, but we didn't install anything else. But this is how we did. We did the bottom, and we used the wrench to do this. So I'm gonna show you how we worked it out. So we did this, and we did that. We just turned the ring so we can get more leverage. Only because we did that. So you can see the inside over here. You see that? Because that's where, now you're going to open this door and you see the top. Mommy, I can't see, I can't put my finger on the camera. You see how we did that? Because this is how we did it. You can see that this is how we did it. Because if you can go inside here, or you can't, because you can might sleep in here.
You're not hiding in there.
Or you can put your stuffies in here, or you can.
Okay.
Because that's where you can put all your stuffies.
All right, say bye. Say like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
What's my channel name?
Mom, subscribe.
Mom, subscribe. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
So this is how far I've gotten. So top shelf is all my baked goods. I am going to take a measurement because this is pretty much the same size. So I want to take a measurement of this and this shelf so I can see what inserts I may need. I want to get at least 1 or 2 inserts for the chips. So we go back, that's all baked goods. I'm not going to touch that shelf or put an insert up here. This one I definitely want to get an insert. This is all my canned goods, so everything on the left. It's more of holiday stuff. Soups are in the middle, and then we go down soups and beans, and then you see all these seasonings. A lot of this stuff is Instapot meals, so this gives me an idea of easy, quick Instapot slow cooker meals. I just have to buy the chicken, throw it in there. So we're definitely going to be using these, and these are all of our seasonings and the packing stuff. I'm gonna find a better way to store these besides in the Ziploc, but y'all know, put them in a Ziploc. Chips, I moved all the chips that are closed to the back. Everything that's open, we use these little paper binder clips or whatever. So what I plan to do is at least get 1 or 2. I seen on Target I can buy a stackable one, so I'm gonna take measurements of the length and the width to see if I could do that, and I'll probably get like 1 or 2. I still have this empty one. I'm probably gonna use this for let my husband put all his snacks, like his bars, any of his drink mix and stuff right here. And then this is just the overflow. I know it looks a little crazy, but this back here has a lot of extra snacks for the kids that are not open. So anything that's pretty much not open besides some breakfast stuff and some other stuff that I just could not fit in the other cabinets. The Nestle Quick the kids use, raisins we use with their oatmeal. You can't see it, but we have oatmeal back there. So this is just the overflow of anything. Other than that, we have to still go through these bags, and that's pretty much it. I was able to store a lot in here, and I still have a lot of room. I was worried about the outlets, but I got to that, so that's good. Other than that, I will give you guys another, yeah, that's how it slams. So I'll give you guys another update once I do the inserts and show you guys the final progress. But yeah, that's it for tonight. Talk to you in a later. You guys, so I wanted to give you guys the final outcome of how this pantry looks. It blends in obviously with our wall color, which I love. I'm not gonna add doorknobs to this because of the fact that you could change out the doors any kind of way. So if you want to open it on the left, you can. If you want to open it on the right, it has been very sturdy. This is how our setup is now. So we obviously have our reusable bags because we're obviously in LA, our step stool, trash can, and there is still a nice little gap right here, which nothing can fit, but I do like the gap. I do like that I can vacuum and do everything over here. Here's another step stool. So as far as organization goes, this is what it pretty much looks like for now. I'm actually okay with this being the way it is. The chip section, to be honest, you can't really fit a lot of storage organization, and I really don't want to spend a ton of money doing that right now. So I was only able to get like 1 container, which I'll insert the photo right here in here. Other than that, we eat a lot of chips in this house. As you can see, it's accessible for the kids to just come in here and grab. This is my husband's section, which I don't touch. You see, he put his stuff in a basket. He has all his stuff in here. It's his crazy. Down here are things that we're not really using, so like backups of juice, extra cereal, different things. Yes, I use boxed macaroni and cheese, and my lobster cheddar bay biscuits. Don't knock them till you try them. So back here is just like an overflow of extra storage of things that if we need to come to, like we grab it and we just open it. So this is pretty much set. I just didn't want to spend a lot of money on storage, and I was honest with myself. This area is fine the way it is. I do plan, it allows me to see what I have, and it also allows me to know what I need to use. As you can see, we have a ton of different mixes and sauces, and before I put everything in here, I made sure that I checked for expiration dates. A lot of this stuff is fresh because I clean out all the time. Trust me, I'm such a neat freak of clean out. Up here, I know it's crazy, it's baking goods behind here, but I drink a lot of tea. I can no longer drink coffee, so here's all my tea stash. So as you can see, I will not be buying teas, but I have pretty much any tea that you're looking for. Food coloring obviously lets me know that that's baking up there, but yeah, this is baked goods behind it, my tea collection. I do like that it has these soft doors right here, so if you wanna, it doesn't slam. So I'll show you. Well, it kind of slams, but I think my brother-in-law can make it a little tighter. I think you have to adjust it right here, but it doesn't bother me. I like that this is sturdy. Do I recommend this? Yes. Cool thing is like you can see right here, you don't see the spacing, so it's lined up perfectly, but you could always go like this so it doesn't bother anyone. And when you close it, you can see that you can't even really see the spacing. So do I recommend this? Yes. Do I say go out and buy it if you just want extra storage? Yes. We did sacrifice, obviously, kitchen for a bigger apartment with 2 kids, and this was accessible. I'm not gonna put anything up there at all, just because the heat gets up there, so I'm gonna just leave that. If you enjoyed this random DIY video, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what more you want to see from this channel. Go ahead and subscribe. I have tons of videos coming out for you guys this year. I hope you guys have a blessed new year. Stay healthy, stay rich, stay fulfilled, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.